It's momentum, just keeps you going.
Not yet.
No, okay.
Now we made it.
Once you pack, man, keep going. Here you are. You made it warm. That's what I want. Yeah, okay. Waist strap. Dad. Okay. Let's undo it.
If it's deeper and the pack will pull you to the bottom, here you're just going to lay in the water. So it's not as critical. But it's a good thing to think about though every time. I've noticed my pack feels different when I do the buckle, of course. And I kind of like it to feel the same as I'm doing something like this. But yeah. He's confident. Good morning, it's Wednesday. We didn't record a lot last night. We were at the Raven Rock shelter. Really nice shelter, nice area for camping, some hammocks. Really good. The water, okay, so come prepared. Bring water. You don't want to go chase it down the trail to the spring. I was at 0.4 down and back up, I think, something like that. Apparently it's a tough trail. I didn't go because I brought enough with me. Roses yesterday, we did get that lunch with the pizza. I slept in the shelter, so during the rain last night, I didn't get a drop of water on me. It was so great. It was loud though. You would think that, okay, that wave of rain has gone through and it'll lighten up, and it didn't. It would intensify. And maybe it's the steel roof, but it was pretty intense, but we all stayed nice and dry. One of our guys who's sleeping in a hammock, he did show up about 1 o'clock. He hung underneath the roof under the patio part of the shelter, and he was having some hardware problems, which I think they'll get worked out. So buds, it's gonna be a long day, so if we finish this, that's a good bud. We actually finished it. Thorn, of course, is the weather. It's supposed to rain for a couple hours today, and the forecast keeps changing, so we really don't know what's going to happen, so it's a little bit concerning. So, but a few days we'll be in a shower and having fun. We just broke out of the rocky trail in the woods to a little bit of opening here. This is awful nice. Kind of a view too, I guess. So we'll keep on going. This is the trail we're hiking on now, coming up out of Ensign. Is it Cromwell, Coswell, Shelter? Sorry, Ensign. No way I could film video on any of that. It was one step at a time. Struggle, struggle, struggle up. And now we get this one. This is okay. So you get to see this one. I just can't show you those tough ones. I got to pay attention on those. just stopped here, picked up a couple liters of water just to make sure I got enough to make it all the way to the next shelter. Got a nice French Canadian lady. A nice couple, I don't know where they're from, but they're through hiking the trail as a couple. So at the end of the days, usually I try to do a roses, buds, and thorns. But I haven't really talked about why. And in groups you do that so you can get a feeling for what's going on with the members. You know, if they might have a thorn that says, I get this bad blister, that they didn't mention all day long. That kind of a thing. They might be looking forward to a certain thing. We can make sure that actually happens, right? So as I'm thinking of what are my roses for today, I can't think of any. Today has sucked. The rocks have sucked. It's been humid. My feet hurt, my ankles hurt, my knees hurt, Achilles tendon hurts. 13 and a half miles of, I didn't have much fun today. Buds, you know, when your bud is, I can't wait to be home. That's kind of an indication too. As a group leader, you say, oh, interesting, what's going on that's so miserable for this person? And now for me, for thorns, well, hold it, I already said that in my roses, that you can't take this, this hurts too much. So anyway, that's my roses, buds, and thorns for today. But I am glad I'm out here, and I will be glad that I did it, I'm sure. I hope I do.